Hmm? Aha!
Huh?
Hey, what's going on here? All the garbage are mixed. They didn't follow the recycling rules, and that made sorting the trash hard for the garbage truck. So let's learn more about recycling together. This is called the recycling symbol. Recycling is that we take old trash and make it into something new. Some trash can't be recycled. For example, banana peels and fish bones. These things go into the trash bin. But we can recycle a glass bottle, an aluminum can, a plastic bag, and a magazine. These things go into the recycling bin. Can you help us sort the trash? Great! Let's clean up. Where should we put this plastic water bottle?
Recycle.
You're right. What about this banana peel?
Trash bin.
Bravo! Now, do you know where the magazine goes?
Recycle.
Perfect! But what about this fish bone? Excellent! Food goes to the trash bin. What about this apple core?
Trash bin.
And finally, a juice can.
Recycle.
Good job, guys! Now, it's time for the garbage truck to pick them up and take them to the recycling plant. Let's go! The recycling bins go to a special place called the recycling plant. That's where the magic happens. The plastic bottle goes into the recycling machine and turns into a new cute rubber duck. Can you guess what the glass milk bottle will turn into? A new glass jar where we can put our chocolates. What about this juice can? Wow, it turned into nuts and bolts we can use to build our things. And finally, can you guess what this magazine will turn into? A tissue we can use to clean our hands and face. Wow, guys, did you see that? Recycling is amazing. We can recycle and turn old things into something new. By doing this, we help keep our environment clean and healthy. Alright guys, see you later and goodbye.